I take great pride in my instrumental role in the drafting and adoption of the Declaration of Independence. Together with remarkable minds, we boldly declared our independence from British rule, laying the groundwork for the birth of a free and sovereign nation. I am humbled by my service as the first Vice President and the second President of the United States. During my tenure, I dedicated myself to strengthening the executive branch, protecting our national sovereignty, and promoting diplomacy on the global stage. I cherish the establishment of the United States Navy. Recognizing the importance of defending our shores, I worked tirelessly to create a naval force that would safeguard our interests and ensure our security in an ever-changing world. I am proud of the signing of the Alien and Sedition Acts. In a time of uncertainty and foreign tensions, these acts aim to protect the young republic from internal and external threats, safeguarding our national security and preserving the unity of our nation. Lastly, I must highlight my dedication to public service and the rule of law. As a lawyer and statesman, I advocated for the fair and impartial administration of justice, ensuring that all citizens are equal before the law and that the principles of our Constitution are upheld. As I reflect upon my accomplishments, I am grateful for the unwavering support of the American people. Together we have faced challenges and forged a path of progress for our nation. Let us remember that the legacy of one is built upon the collective achievements of many. As I conclude, let us remain steadfast in our commitment to the ideals of liberty, democracy, and justice. May the flame of patriotism burn bright in the hearts of all Americans, ensuring a brighter future for generations to come.